This video shout out goes to Nadia Horde. Let's see if you can hit the subscribe button in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Did you hit the subscribe button? Comment down below. Hi guys, welcome back to Slime Girls Time. Today I'll be testing out 5 no glue recipes and some that are 1 ingredient. The first one calls for flour and water. So here's some flour. And then you just want to add water. You just add the water. And you're supposed to mix it up until you see it clump up. Okay, I think I added too much water, so I'll add some more flour. Just a little bit. And you can see it clumping up. So that means it's working. And I'm just gonna start grabbing it right now to knead it up. And here is your slime. It's like Play-Doh. All you need was flour and water. So here is the slime, the flour and water slime, and I added some red dye to it. So this is a success and this slime actually works. So this recipe, all you need is coconut water, shampoo, and you put it in the fridge for 20 minutes. So let's pour some shampoo in here. That's about enough, and I'll put it in the fridge for 20 minutes. I'll see you when it's out the fridge. So here's the slime, and it did work, as you can see, and you can like pick it up, and it was only in the fridge for 20 minutes. So I think that this did work, because as you can see, like, it's pretty like chunky. And I wouldn't expect a shampoo slime to be like so perfect, but this one, because like you can still see that it's kind of like sticky, and that's pretty good for a shampoo slime. So yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. So the next recipe calls for warm water and gum. And my water is already in there, my warm water. And now I'm just going to unwrap these and put it in the water so it can get softer. And yeah. And then you gotta just keep on playing with it until it gets softer. I'll be back when it's softer. So here's the slime made out of gum, and it is stretchy. And yeah, so this slime obviously worked. So for this recipe, you need water and you need cheese. And you need warm water. So I'm gonna put my warm water in. And then you put cheese in there. So I'll open this cheese up and just put this in here. And it's supposed to melt. So let me put my hands in there. Just keep putting my hands in it. I'll come back to you when it's done, like it's molding together. So here's the slime. I took all the water out, and here's the cheese slime. Super stretchy. It's like mozzarella. You can stretch it a lot. And you guys cannot keep this slime over a while because it will get moldy. But yeah, that's the slime. I think this one was pretty good, as you can like stretch it, but this one was not a fail. Okay, so for the last recipe, you need Dawn dish soap and you need egg white. So I'll try to get the egg white. Let me see. Just the egg white, like I'm doing here. Okay. No! So I have the egg white and I'm gonna put my dish soap. And you will put this in the fridge for 20 minutes. So I took it out the freezer and this is how it is. I mean the fridge, I said freezer. And it feels like it worked. It feels just like jiggly slime and it looks like it. I like the color of this slime though. Let's touch it. Ooh. It feels just like jiggly slime. I think you guys should try this out because it feels just like jiggly slime. So this did work and you guys should try it out because it feels just like jiggly slime. So that is the end of the video. I hope you like this video. Comment down below video ideas. Subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Bye!